I think I just got my delivery and I'm looking forward to seeing what this is. I ordered the Star Trek Enterprise in the shuttle pod, and I think it's right outside. Yeah, there it is. Actually got 2 boxes. That must be where the shuttle is. Oh, cool, this is pretty heavy. This must be the Enterprise. Oh, I'm so excited. Gonna go and open this sucker up in the other room. This is Jedis for Jesus, and we are Bible-believing Christians. And if you want to find the truth, that is where you look. Well, I'm pretty excited. You know, you saw me bring this in, and just gonna go ahead and open up these boxes. Show you what's in this one. Came separately boxed here. There you go, the little shuttle pod. That is really cute. Look at that. Box isn't that big, as you see my hand. So this guy right here is 261 pieces. Yeah, this sells on eBay for $160. I'm gonna make this, I'm not gonna sell it. If you want to see more speed builds like this, hit the thumbnails at the end of this video. And now, for this box. Ah, there we go. Isn't that beautiful? Yeah. Legos always does a great job in packaging their kits. And just put this back here. So this guy's Lego set 10356. It's got 3,600 pieces. Wow, it's gonna be something else building this guy. And there's on top little minifigures. And this right there, Star Trek 60. And there we go, we got both sets. Looking forward to building both of them. There is actually more of this at the end, stop motion. So I'm going to go ahead and show you in the Star Trek Enterprise box here all the what comes in the box, how many bags and stuff like that. I'm going to eventually build this too, but let's go ahead and open up this box here and show you. Now I just opened it up and the value went down if I want to resell it. So please stay on our channel and watch some of our longer videos so we can get our watch time up. Thank you. I will show you a few more minifigures being built in this video. Stay tuned. One more spot that I didn't get. Okay, got them all this time. This is actually the first kit that I'm going to be building when we have all paper bags, no more plastic. So it looks like we got all the bags on one side. Let me go ahead and just put them in here and see what's in the box, the white box right here. So far, the highest number I see is now 30. Yep, that was the highest number, 30. So you just pop that open and get the box out from in here. This has tape on it too. So just more bags. So let me go ahead and put them out on the floor, and I'll show you me doing that, and I'll have the bags in order. Yeah, I know it's Star Trek, not Star Wars. So I'm believing the boxes, or the bags in this box, are lower numbers. So push that chair back a little bit. Now we have 10. 11. Put 4 up there. That's for the stand. Oh, we're definitely going to open this guy up. So in here you got the 2 manuals. And you got your stickers. And as you can see, what that sticker says, that sticker right there, you see it's misspelled. So I gotta call up Legos and make sure I get the right sticker with the right wording on it. All the minifigures were built like this, and you will enjoy them in our other videos. And then we have book number 1, and then book number 2. Look at how thick that is. Oh, and I'm noticing something in here in this box. Okay, we got these 2 rods. So let's go ahead and put the rest of the bags out. So we're now on 14. 20 over here. All right there, laying on the ground. If you got any value out of this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell to be notified when we upload a brand new video. Thank you. Sorry about it being unfocused there for a little bit, but there is all the 30 bags on the ground, and we're gonna get going here and get this enterprise built. Look for the Star Trek Enterprise build on our YouTube page. This is Jedis for Jesus. Hope to see you one day soon in heaven.